What is going on, party people? Welcome out to the channel. I want to talk about a workflow that I just put together earlier today, and I wanted to make a video of it before it became, let's get into it. Once again, guys, welcome back to the channel. So happy to be talking about AI and all the different workflows that you can use. Once you start using other AIs combined with other AIs and all the things that you can produce and how fast you can produce them, it is amazing. So with my business, right, AI Business Inspection, I was talking to one of my AIs and I was like, hey, check out this funnel. Let me know what you think about it. And it was like, oh, you should probably have a lead magnet or information to give to somebody so that they can feel comfortable knowing what services that you offer and how AI can actually benefit them and what value do they get. And I was like, what a wonderful idea. How would I go about doing that? So basically I looked and I was like, is there an AI that can help me put together a PDF? And sure enough, it did. And if you want to see the end product, make sure to go to AI Business Inspection. There'll be an pop-up on the website when you put your information in, and then it'll send you the PDF that I made earlier today, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how I made it right now in this video so that you can make something of your own. Let's get into it. Okay, so here we are. I've already put in my ledger, and if you don't know what a ledger is, that's in an earlier video, and I'm working on a custom GPT, which is over here in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, and now it's ready to operate because this AI personal chat GPT or GPT is already accustomed to have been working with me for the last month or so, right? So with that in mind, once again, if you don't know how to do that, that's in an earlier video. So right now, we're going to go ahead and show you how I was able to make the PDF. And once again, if you want to download that, you can get it at aibusinessinspection.com. Make sure to leave a link down in the description. So we're going to start from scratch. Hello, I need an outline that will help people understand the services that we offer with AI Business Inspection. We're just going to cover a few of the items in this PDF so they can be educated enough to make sure that they know that they're moving in the right direction. The main points that I would like to talk about are chat widget on the website, missed call text back, conversational AI, social media scheduler, and Google reviews. That should be 5. I don't think I skipped any. Basically looking for an outline, brief description, something that I can put into my other AI that will generate a PDF for me to download so that I can send a link to anybody that visits my AI Biz Inspection website. Okay, so now that I've been working with it for over a month, and it kind of already knows what GoHighLevel is, so it's easy for this AI to input information that is in line with what we offer. It'll go ahead and generate everything that I need, and it's covering all the different topics that I was talking about. Number 1 being website chat widget, right? And then we have missed call text back, conversational AI, which is pretty important. And then we have social media scheduler. And then last but not least, the Google reviews and automation. So now that it was able to create that outline for me, I'm going to go to my other AI website that creates PDFs, slideshows, and print media. So I'm going to create a new project, document or ebook this time. Last time I did a presentation. So now that I have all the information, I'm just going to paste it into here and then hit generate. Now, while it's doing that, I'm going to tell this AI, please give me image prompts that involve me, my mascot, my logo, and I want to kind of keep it along the lines of how we do our YouTube thumbnails so that it has similar branding. And if you could give me image generation prompts, as many as I need to create the PDF, that would be great. So now that I pasted it into app.samcart.com, I can go ahead and hit generate. And now it's going to go and create my PDF for me. Since it's doing that, I'm going to have it create me some image prompts. And while it's generating image prompts, I'm going to load up Leonardo AI to do my images. And then the images that I want have already been selected. And you can see I have my mascot, my logo, and then my image over here. And then now it's going to generate prompts for me. And when I look at the formatting of whatever it's producing for me, I'm just going to put 16:9 images. I'm going to leave them all the same. 16.9 is over here. They don't need to be super large. They could be medium. And then we're just going to start generating. So now it's doing the first prompt. I'm going to copy the second one and then down the line. Okay, now you can see while I was generating personalized images on the other website, Leonardo AI, now I have a PDF that all I have to do is plug and play the images that it generated for me. So on the first page, we have AI Biz Inspection. Are my leads, calls, and follow-ups actually covered? So what I can do is go back to my first original image and then implement that. And that's pretty cool that it gives you a table of contents, and then we can go ahead and change out the images. Okay, so this thing made something that was pretty amazing, and then I could go through and change out all the images, and basically I had ChatGPT just spit out all the image prompts, and then I had Leonardo AI create all the images for me, and then I had Samcart create the PDF, and then I just swapped out the images for what we were trying to accomplish here, which was inform people how AI can actually, help their business. So right here, I just kind of didn't like how it cropped it. So I can basically just click on it and then move it over and then just scroll down the line and make sure it has all the images that work for what it created with the PDF. So once again, this only took like 10-15 minutes. It gave me all the information that I needed. Also on the YouTube channel, if you want to know how to link all these things together so that when someone goes to your website, they can download the PDF, make sure to follow, like, and subscribe. And if you want the one that I made earlier before creating this video, make sure to go to AIBizInspection.com and put your information in and understand how the workflow actually handles leads that come in. So when you put your information in, you'll get an email saying, hey, look, here's the PDF that I created. And then you'll get a text message that says, hey, look, I sent it. Maybe in your spam folder, make sure to white label our email address. And that's what you can do with leads that are trying to get a hold of your business. Catch you on the next video.